Hi, my name is Sophia.
Hi, my name is Berlyn.
And today we're going to be making slime. And the inspiration is this pumpkin lip balm, which is super cute and it smells really good. So let's get to making the slime. So the first thing you're going to need is Elmer's school glue. And you can use liquid starch and it's called Flow.
You're gonna need glitter any color, pumpkin pie spice, and food coloring.
We're gonna pour your Elmer's school glue in your measuring cup. Just put it in a measuring cup, which you can do a cup. If there's still a lot of glue in here, you can use a spatula or a spoon or whatever tool you're using to mix the slime together to get the extra glue out. And now we're gonna add the food coloring.
Add a little bit of food coloring, a couple drops.
That's good, that's good. See, look how strong that is. As you can see, the food coloring was so strong that it turned into a really nice orange color.
Now we're gonna add the glitter.
That's good, that's good. It's very glittery, and I really like it, and it's really pretty, so.
Next, we're gonna add the pumpkin pie spice.
And you can put as much as you want, but we wanna put a lot because it smells really good. Just mix it until it's all mixed in and you can't see it anymore. This would be a good slime to make during Halloween because it's orange and it smells like a pumpkin. And now I think it's time to add your activator, just a little bit at a time.
It's getting thicker now.
Keep adding your activator till it gets really thick, because that's how you know when the slime is ready. I'm just gonna keep mixing till it's not super sticky, but once you feel like it's right, to see how good this slime is, and it's gonna stick to your hands, but if it's really stringy, just play with it and it'll get much better. It'll stop sticking to your hands. Isn't that better, Berlyn?
Yeah.
You gotta keep kneading and playing with it till it feels like it's really good. So you wanna take it out so we can poke it. Here, okay. So once you feel like you need to play with it, just take it out of your bowl or whatever you're using to make the slime in, and just start playing with it and kneading it. See, it's already getting less sticky and watery. It smells good.
It smells like pumpkin spice.
Sure does. Even though it smells really good, don't eat it because it makes you very sick. So this is how you make a bubble, and then you go over like that. And don't forget, if you love your slime and you don't want it to dry out, make sure to put it in a container like this. I like to store mine in a jar because it's easier to take out and play with. If you like this video of us making the slime, make sure to subscribe so you can know how to make other cool things. Thanks for watching. Bye.